Hey guys, welcome back. Second video of the channel. Pretty simple one today. I'm going to install some dynamic indicators, the ones that you see on Audis mostly, where they sort of start at one end, flow across nicely to the other. And I'm going to be putting those on the wing mirrors. Quite cheap little parts you can get off of eBay. Only about 15 quid. There's one of them. So we'll put those in. What that kind of involves on the car is basically getting the mirror cap off the top, unscrewing a few components. You're kind of taking the mirror apart pretty much. Looks fairly straightforward from what I've researched up on. So let's have a go. So there should be two clips here and here. Let's have a look. Try and get our tool in. Lift it up a bit there, great. Let's bring this across to that one. There we go. As you can see, that's one clip there, that's the other clip. I think we kind of ended up breaking that one. But that's part of the indicator anyway, so we'll be replacing that. So we'll be fine. Next thing to do is to get this wing mirror glass out gently if we can. Got the clips here. Perfect. There you go, unclipped. Next thing to take off is this plastic here, which just clips out. Slides up to the bottom there. There we go. Put that to one side. Next thing we're going to do is take off this T10 bolt. So we'll just unscrew that. Once you got that T10 out, there's another one tucked behind here. If I can try and show you. Just here, another T10. Right, so after that last T10 came out, as you can see now, the tool assembly which holds the indicator on just falls away. And as you can see, there's a little clip here which is part of the indicator. Unclip that and it just comes away. Then we'll just unplug the electrical plug. So here we have the two indicators. Obviously the top one is the original Volkswagen equipment. The bottom is going to be the new dynamic indicator. So they're pretty much the same. Connector, where is it? Connector there is, same as that connector there. So should be able to plug in. And what we'll do is give it a quick test before putting it all together. There you go, you can just about see it working there. So just a quick test before we all rebuild it. Happy days. There we go, so it's all working, so it's just a matter of putting things back together now. So first thing is this little holder. So we'll bring him around here, and that little clip should just push into here, like it should. As you can see, I put some green tape here just to hold the connection. It seemed a bit loose to me when I was testing it, so and this clip will not go in. Let's have a look. Let's get rid of some of this protective stuff off the edges. Shouldn't really cause a problem, but let's see if we can. There we go. Nice, that's clipped. You can see that's clipped in there now. Right. Let's get this back around here. Mirror out of the way for a second. And this should just push back up. Sorry about my head being in the way. There we go. We are pretty much there. Excellent. We just need those T10s. We'll start on this side because this is more easily accessible. Start him off. Now, I'll point something out in a minute. I think this mirror has been apart once before, because when I was looking at instructions on how these things come apart, there's 2 extra screws, which mine appears to be missing. That doesn't cause any great deal of problem for the integrity of the mirror, but it did confuse me a little bit when I was starting to take that apart. Let me just get this last Torx in, and I shall show you. Okay, so I managed to get that T10 back in there, and that one back there. Now, what I was saying was, the screws missing on mine are this one here, sorry, that one there, and sorry, that one in here. There's a little screw there. Should be. And they're missing on mine. As I say, it doesn't really matter, but what it was doing was holding this sort of bottom piece onto this section here. But oops. But that's fine. That's not a problem. So we'll just go ahead. As you can see, that's now hooked on nicely here. I'll take the cover off once I'm done. We'll just put everything back together now. Okay, so you go. We've got the hazard lights are on, so I'm giving you a sort of a backwards view here, far back as I can. Obviously, it's this side is the one I've done. Haven't done that one yet, which you cannot really see. So let me just take you in to see this one. There you go. Looking quite good. Let's take you around the side I've not done yet. So this is the original. Not very good, is it? I mean, that's pretty poor. I mean, I can't get over, really, you can't really see it at all during the day. But there we go. Okay, so that's that one mirror done. I'll crack on, do the other mirror. And that's, well, an easy job. Very, very easy. I'll catch up with you in a second once I've done the other mirror. There we go, that's the final effort. Both wing mirrors done. Okay, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Guess it wasn't that exciting to watch, but hopefully it'll give a little insight on how to take that wing mirror apart and install a new indicator. I quite like those dynamic indicators, actually. They're pretty cool. So yeah, I hope you liked it. Stick a like on the video, share, subscribe. You know what to do. See you next time.